Hello, my name is Tony Mason from Structure Landscapes in Los Angeles, California. Today we are going to be installing artificial turf, and we have two special guests joining us today from American Center and ProCutta.
Morning, Tony.
Hey Mike, thanks for joining us today.
AST and ProCutta are coming over?
Yes, they are. They're going to be helping us today and guiding us through the install project.
Beautiful, perfect.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey, what's up, Sam?
Hey, what's up, man?
Perfect time.
Excellent. You guys are ready for me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, man. Let's do it. All right, thanks, guys. Let's put this one down. Go ahead and
Mike, we're going to assemble the ProCutta now on the ground.
some of these 4-footers. Okay, now we got the ProCutta down. We're gonna go ahead and line the first stitch row here, guys, to the outer edge of the ProCutta. Okay, line it up. If you go a little bit past, it's okay. It's all right.
Wanted to add a quick side note here. When not working with a stitched edge, align the non-stitched edge of the turf or head seam to the edge of the ProCutta as shown.
All right. Now peel this back and go ahead and fasten your nails in. So starting from the end, you're gonna start at one corner. Hold the ProCutta down like this and just tap in the nail, okay, like that. This way you don't need hardware here. All right, now that side is done. Now you're gonna do the same. This stitch row for the outside of the ProCutta. Now obviously this is longer and it's okay. Just do it like that. Okay, straighten that turf out a little bit over there. Perfect, okay? We're good. Okay, peel this back. Okay, now that the ProCutta has been fastened to the ground, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take any part of the ProCutta where the S is, in the middle of the S, you're gonna measure 18 inches over. About 18 inches, which is right about here. You're just gonna stick a nail in here, halfway into the ground, all the way down the seam line, okay? It's gonna hold the turf in place. And then the distance between here and there is just one step, like that. Okay, right about here. Okay guys, now we're ready to do the seam, okay? This is what we're gonna do here. Now we have this turf here has been fastened. You wanna put the nails in halfway, all right? Because we might move it, I'm not sure, but it's gonna hold the grass in place. We did the same over here. Put these nails in right here to fasten this side, okay? Now, I'm right-handed, so we're gonna cut this turf first. We're gonna peel this turf back like this. You can take your knife blade and you're going to extend it about 2 3/4 to 3 inches like this. Make sure you lock the thumb wheel. Okay, place your left foot next to the ProCutta and put your right foot where your 18-inch nails are at, okay? Then basically you're gonna stick the knife into the knife guide channel like this at a 90 degree, and you're gonna go slightly forward, and then you're just gonna do this motion, up and down motion, this circular motion, okay? With your left hand, you're going to hold the turf down. You're gonna push it down. You're gonna push it down up against this ProCutta edge, okay? Blade in there, cut, hold the axis right here, push it down. Every 6-7 inches, you're gonna stop and bring your holding hand down like this. Okay, and then your mind is talking with your hand that you're cutting the S. Okay. Your footing's out here, not here, out here, okay? Now when this gets really long and this gets in your way, you can just cut it right here and get it out of your way. Okay, now we're done. Go ahead and pull this turf back. Let's pull this grass over. Okay, now we're doing this other side. Do the same exact thing. Okay, remember, you just hold your left hand is holding the turf down up against the knife guide channel, the ProCutta. Every 6 or 7 strokes, you're going to stop and bring your holding hand down, match with your cutting hand. Your mind is telling your hand you're doing an S cut. Also, if you get stuck right here for some reason, you could take the whole blade out and reinsert it like this, or if you don't want to, you can just maneuver the blade left and right like that, and it'll release. Okay, all right, peel this back, and then you're going to remove the ProCutta where the staked areas are. Usually it comes right up with your hand, and if not, you can just use the claw of the hammer if you like. That's why when you assemble the ProCutta, when it comes out of the box, you assemble them at forfeit pieces because they're so much easier to work with after you're done. Okay, from here we're going to pull this side here, and we're going to make sure we're just going to center the seam tape right in the middle of the seam. Okay, now it's not going to be exactly in the middle because of these humps, but we want it close. Okay, looks pretty good. Usually these humps are about 1 inch or 1.5 inches on this side of the center, so looks pretty good. We're going to go ahead and fasten the seam tape onto the ground. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to dry set this, make sure everything lines up. So go ahead and take that, let's put this together. Okay, and this turf has a pattern. This side here, this edge here, looks like it's laying down, and this edge here looks like it's a cap. So this side here is going to go down first, and this other side is going to go on top of it like this. Okay. You're going to, from here, okay, use the kickers and take the kickers, and you're going to extend or maximize the spikes all the way out. I use 2 for better control. Okay, I'm not going to use my knees, I'm just going to use my hands. I'm just going to push. Okay. I'm just gonna align the turf. Now, like a Ziploc bag, you're gonna start at one end, and when this side matches, the rest should fit, okay? So now right here, I'm super happy with the seam cut. And also you see this ripple right here? This ripple is here because of the nails we put in, and that's causing the ripple. You want the nails there because this ripple serves as a spring back. So the seam comes back and it matches your seam. You see, like right here, see how perfect that is? Okay, now I'm gonna take my spike, I'm gonna find the seam again where that was. I'm gonna go ahead and just stick it in there like this. Okay, I'm gonna stick this here like this so it doesn't move. Then I'm gonna grab a nail. Then I'm going to, from the high side, which is right here, I'm gonna go up 8 to 9 inches. I'm gonna use my hand to push back the turf. Stick the nail right here. And I'm gonna do this all the way down the seam line because this is gonna hold this, so we're ready to glue. This is the next step. Well, if you don't have your kicker, you can go ahead and use your hands to set the seam.
Eight or 9 inches, right?
Yeah, from the hump, okay, from the highest point. So once you have this right here, just follow that nail all the way down the seam line. There you go. Okay, now I'm happy with your dry set. Now let's go ahead and glue the seam. Open this up. May have to stick a nail in it to hold it in place. Okay, this side here. To this side we're good. Okay, let's get the blower.
Hey, we just finished this grass install here. Let me show you how real it looks. Look, this grass looks so amazing. ProCutta did it again. I can't even see the seams. Supreme 60 looks very natural and real. It's amazing grass. Give me one moment. I want to show you guys the ProCutta where we did the seam. It's about here, right? It's here. And I can't see absolutely nothing with this grass that we did here. It looks great, fantastic. I just want to thank Shannon Beck with the American Center for stopping by and supporting us. Also Sam Lee with ProCutta for his field training. This concludes our install. I want to thank you guys so much for joining us.